What's up? I am Paul Scheer, and this is my first CNET unboxing. Not only is it my first CNET unboxing, it's my first unboxing on camera. I've unboxed plenty off camera, but this is my first unboxing on camera, and this knife looks a little bit, this is a little scarier than normal knives I use here. Okay, let's see how to do this. I'm a seam person. I cut the seams. I just don't go, jagged edge. Let's see, all right. This does not look like an original box. It looks like this is another box for something else. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Let's see. This is the saddest part, watching a grown man just try to open a box. What if this is the whole 3 minutes? Just me, just struggling to like cut through tape. All right, now I've seen what you've done. All right, this is perfect. Getting better at it. And we're out of time, so sorry everybody. All right, what do we got here? Oh, it's a blue box. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Can I open this? All right, Teddy Ruxpin, let's talk about it. So this is the new version, all right? This is like the 2018 version of Teddy Ruxpin. When I was growing up, Teddy Ruxpin came out and this thing was insane because it was a doll that spoke to you. I've realized as I've gotten older that my child life might have been a little sad, that I was very excited to have a doll that would speak to me. But I really wanted this doll because you put a tape in his back, an audio cassette tape, and then you would read a book and he would act out the parts. And he had his little friend Grubby. And my dad and I went all over the city trying to find a Teddy Ruxpin. It was harder to find than like a Cabbage Patch Kid. If you don't know either of these references, I'm old. And so the whole idea was that you would go to toy stores and wait. There was no Amazon or anything like that. And my dad and I went into the city and he had to tell me like, look, Santa is so overwhelmed this year that he said that I could help him. So that's why we're going to this special toy store. So like we were on a mission from Santa. Little did I know, Santa doesn't exist. That's an unboxing of your soul. And so we went to this toy store and we couldn't find it and I wanted it so bad and we didn't get it until maybe like 3 months after Christmas. And this Teddy Ruxpin was the thing I would play with all the time. And what was great was you could play so many things. Back in the day, there was no, come on, guy, get out. There he is. There was, oh, more? All right, I'm sure a thief is, all right. So what you could do is you put a tape in his back and you could put any tape in there. So I could put like AC/DC in the back of my Teddy Ruxpin and he would be like, "Hells bells," and that was the best part of the Teddy Ruxpin is that you could manipulate him and make him curse. If you tape like the F word on TV, Teddy Ruxpin was like, but he wouldn't say it like in the Teddy Ruxpin voice. He would just say it in like the voices that you recorded it in. I'm looking for the tape deck. There's no tape deck. Oh, turn on now. Does he turn on? Let's see if he turns on. Should I have talked about the boxing? No, we don't need. Dead eyes. Talk to me. No? All right, hold on 1 second. I feel like it has to show me something. What is this? Yikes. Teddy Ruxpin into some weird shit. My Teddy Ruxpin did not come with a blindfold. Handcuffs back here? Oh, geez, what is that? All right, so wait, how does he turn on? Let's see. Did he turn on? You son of a bitch. Oh, wait, here, I think. Okay. Are we in? No. What? Come. Is this one of these toys that you have to... Let me look at the box. Now I gotta look at the box. All right. Back to the instructions. All right, we got it. How to wash them. Oh, there's an app. There's batteries. Before you start, remove the clear film covering from his eyes. Oh, God. I don't think there is. Wait, is there? Ooh, there is. Ugh. This is like Kubrickian. Hold on. All right, there we go. We got to hear him talk. All right, I got the 4 AAAs. This guy can't even give me a sample. Ooh, look at that. Look at those ghostly clear eyeballs. I would love to see what would happen when he turns on. That's why in my house I carry a box full of batteries, stocked full of different batteries of different kind. This is amazing. I wish you could see what was so cool about him, but I mean, yeah, let's see. All right, well, I'll take this home and I'll play with it and I'll make my own videos. You can follow me on Instagram as I do videos with Teddy Ruxpin. That will be about 3 to 4 days before I'm arrested. So I am Paul Scheer. Thank you so much for letting me unbox a Teddy Ruxpin, my childhood toy, the elusive childhood toy, which was way better than a Cabbage Patch. Suck a Cabbage Patch. Teddy Ruxpin forever.